9:30 a.m. We're in the rainforest now looking for the Kopeka birds. They have a cave somewhere in the forest and they move around, it looks like, so they could be in certain caves. Okay, we're still in the Kopeka cave. There's an overhang here and you hear birds and insects, crickets, and some light water drips. So I'm going to shoot this. I'll let you see what it looks like. Here we go. There's a microphone. Hear the birds. Unfortunately, there's a rooster. You can see the cave. And if we take a step over here, you can see how high up we are. This Kopeka cave, where the birds are, it's not the common tourist cave. Apparently, we could just walk into another cave, but we wouldn't really get the great sounds of the Kopeka bird. So at this cave, basically we can drop the mic down into the cave and it'll be pure, clean, very nice bird sounds. The birds echolocate. So, tell us what the name of the cave is?
Oh, the name of this cave is Te Uruapuru. It means the ancestors more or less coming through this whole hole. That's the meaning of the Uruapuru. I mean, it's the people going through this cave as a safety zone. This is where they bury my ancestors in the time of the war and that, and cannibal.
Mm-hmm.
I brought them over here so the chief and his soldier won't find them.
We're in the cave of the Kopeka bird, and we're recording, looking for it right now. So I'm going to set up the microphone right here, facing away from the entrance of the cave, and hopefully we're going to get some birds to come by. When we're recording in a cave, you walk up quietly so that your footsteps can be used as a sound effect also, aside from just the cave ambience. So we have feet away and feet up to the mic. What I've done is I've hung the microphone from the stalagmite and used the tension of the cord to hold the microphone in place.